talking hole saws and drilling holes today?
Hole saws and drilling holes. You know, first thing you think you want to grab when you're drilling a hole is a speed bit or a spade bit because they drill so fast.
Right.
All right. You can drill maybe up to 1.5 inches. I don't think they have them any bigger than that. Or you can drill a real small hole. The problem with these are you're not going to get a real neat hole, not clean going in and definitely not clean going out.
Yeah, you can blow out the back
But it will
easily.
drill fast. It'll drill fast.
Yeah. Okay, so if you want something a little finer or a little bigger, go to the hole saw.
The hole saw, right. Now the hole saw, think about it as just basically it's a saw that's bent in a circle, and it comes in all different sizes, and it's mounted to a arbor or a mandrel right here. And there are different size mandrels for different size circles.
Okay. So this guy's a little simpler. This one has these little nubs and this base plate right there.
Right. And if you look at that, that slides up and down and it's locked in place by this nut right here.
Right.
So what you do is you take the hole saw and you screw it on the mandrel right there. Then I have to back it out just like that till it meets the hole that I can then push that into.
So it's going to spin it well, but it's not going to tighten this to the arbor.
Right. So I need to lock that down so this doesn't pull out with this nut. Again, it doesn't require a lot of pressure. Just make it nice and hand tight. All right. So now when you put this in the drill, this will drill a hole and it won't spin without this turning.
Which means that this isn't going to cinch down super tight and get you into a position where you can never get it off.
Right.
So a finer cut, lots of different sizes right here. And I'm looking at these two right here. The red one is clearly more coarse, whereas the white one's got a finer tooth.
Much more aggressive. And the benefit to this is you're going to drill through a piece of wood, and let's say you've got some metal in there or a nail, you'll cut the nail. The trick to drilling a hole saw is when you're drilling this into wood, and depending on the wood, if it's pine or sappy or anything like that, the wood will jam up and fill these holes in between the teeth. So you've got to back it out, clean the wood off, push it back in. But when you do that, you got to be careful because these get very hot.
All right, so let's talk about some drilling because I'm sure you got some techniques for us.
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty easy to drill, but I don't like to drill it at a real high speed. In some cases, you're going to wander up and down with your speed and work it. So this bit right here will guide the drill so it won't wander when I first start. After I get into it, it won't matter about that drill, except it'll put a point hole on the other, a little hole on the other end. So I can drill it like this. I can also take a hole saw like that, okay? Drill right down through. Feel it. All right, so there's the drill. It's just breaking through right there. So now I'd take the drill and I would drill it from the other side.
So you can see that we've got just the pilot hole coming through.
Right. So if I drilled all the way through, I'd get blowout. So I might get some splintering like this on the other side. By flipping it over, I can now line that hole up on the other side exactly right. Take my time, turn the drill on, not too much force. Let the drill work. Let the drill do the work. Rock it back and forth just slightly. And I have my plug right there. I have a neat hole on this side and a clean hole on the other side.
Right. Cool. All right. Well, good information, Tommy. Nice to know that you got the tool in the kit, and also nice to know how to use it.
Sure is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.